Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's a big bird pack. Okay. Yes. Yes. Hi, hi, how are you? Lady Sibo here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lady Sibo. I brought my kids today for swimming. I'm here in the village of Nata. Enjoy the beauty of the flora and fauna of Botswana. Here is the beauty of the Nata Bird Sanctuary, a community-based trust that preserves the natural beauty of Botswana. This is where the flamingos breed. Every rainy season they come here for breeding. When it's dry, they move to another area and then come back here. See the beauty of Nata. Enjoy yourself, beautiful people. Hola. Beep, come on. What a sweet person. Yeah. Beautiful Botswana. Yeah. Discover Nata Bird Sanctuary. A paradise at the edge of the Makgadikgadi Pens. Home to the flamingos. This is the beauty of Botswana, where pelicans and 165 bird species can be found. A perfect place for bathing, photography, and magical sunset. This is the beauty of Botswana. Discover the Makgadikgadi salt pans. This is where the flamingo breeds every rainy season. Wow. Look at the beautiful flora and fauna of the Botswana. This is the Makgadikgadi salt pans, and this is where the Nata Bird Sanctuary situates. The Nata Bird Sanctuary is one of the Botswana's treasured eco-tourism sites. It's located at the edge of the Makgadikgadi salt pans. This is the beauty of the Nata Bird Sanctuary. This is the beauty of the Nata Bird Sanctuary. This is along the A3 road, where there are so many horse and trailers that comes from Botswana, South Africa. They go as far as DRC. That's how the road is busy. Enjoy and watch the beauty of the Makgadikgadi salt pans and the Nata Bird Sanctuary. There are lots and loads of tourists that come here. This is the paying room. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Hi. How are you? Good, good. I'm shooting a video. Hey, ma. The Nata Bird Sanctuary is one of the Botswana's treasured ecotourism sites. It's located at the edge of the Makgadikgadi salt pan. It provides a safe haven for over 165 species of birds, including large flocks of flamingos and pelicans that create a breathtaking spectacle. Visitors can enjoy scenic views, guided drives, and the unique opportunity to experience one of the largest salt pans in the world. The sanctuary is a community managed, meaning you can visit directly, support local conservation and livelihoods, Let me take you around and see what the bird sanctuary can offer. There are campsites here. There are rooms, accommodation. If you want to come here and lodge, you can come, sleep here, enjoy the beauty of this Makgadikgadi pens. They are preserving nature here. They don't cut anything. This is accommodation. Some of the rooms are still under construction. These are the beautiful accommodation here in the sanctuary. These are the rooms. This is another room. This is Lady Sibo here. I've been enjoying this swimming pool. There's a swimming pool that I will show you here after showing you the accommodation. There's heat water. Hot water is available. These are the other rooms here. With the beauty of Botswana. Some rooms here are under construction, some are already operating. And there are campsites. These ones are under construction. These rooms are under construction. These ones, and the other ones there are finished. These rooms are under construction. And there's a campsite that side. Let me show you the campsite. That is the campsite right there. The campsite is right there. You can enjoy yourself. You can bring your tents. Come and enjoy. The place is beautiful and can be green during the rain season. It's summer here, but the rain have not yet started. We only have the ostriches. We have these rooms are air conditioned. The ones that are operating are air conditioned. They are very beautiful. Before us there is a swimming pool and a bar area. Today I just brought my kids here in this nice place of the Nata Bird Sanctuary for a swimming. The Nata Bird Sanctuary covers about 230 square kilometers, which is 23 hectares of protected land on the northern edge of the Makgadikgadi Sword Pens. This is one of the few community managed reserves in Botswana established to protect wildlife and support ecotourism. So this is the swimming pool and bar area. This is a nice place here where people can come and book for meetings and other things that they would like to see. This is the bar area. You can come here and book for meetings. These are swimming pool areas. And this is how clean the place is, and it's protected. It's an ecotourism area. Let me show you my children. They're having a nice time here, having a swimming pool. Ooh, you guys are enjoying yourself. Ooh. Hello, Junior. Hi. Yay. Hello, Tobo.
Hello.
Hi, Matla. Hi, go. Hi, Angie. Sure. These are my children. They're enjoying themselves here in the swimming area. Let me show you the bar. Huh? This is the swimming area. Yes, please do. Please do. Please do. That's the beautiful place. Yeah, you can go upstairs and enjoy the view. I just want to enjoy the view. Hi, Junior. This is the beauty of the Nata Bird Sanctuary. Look at it. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. Hi, my baby. Hi. How are you? You mean your friends?
Yes.
Okay. This is the 230 square meters. This is the beauty of it. Enjoy the breeze. We're enjoying ourselves here. If you want to come here, you can search for the Nata Bird Sanctuary on the internet and you'll get contacts from there. Come drive along the Makgadikgadi Pens. Enjoy the flora and fauna there. Different species of animals in this area. We'll see them there. The breeding area for the flamingos. There are plenty of waters here in the sanctuary. Thank you. See you next time. Ta-da! Hey guys, are you swimming? Oh, you are playing. Yay! Hello Junior, hello Tobo, hello Matla. Hi. Enjoy yourself guys, enjoy yourself. I just brought my kids here in the middle of the village. There are nice areas here in the village. See, it's in the village, but children can enjoy themselves. Just pay as little as 50 pula and bring your kids here for swimming so that we can support the villages that surround this. This is a conservation trust for 4 villages. It is Nata, Sepako, Maposa, and Mangotai. So if you pay, you are contributing for the development of your community. Thank you. Bye. See you next time. Sorry. Bye. See you later. See you next time. We are going home.